There are some classic cookies that people with nut allergies often miss out on, and white chocolate macadamia is one of them. So instead of trying to recreate it exactly, I wanted to capture that same salty, sweet bakery cookie experience in a way everyone can enjoy. The result is these thick, chewy white chocolate potato chip cookies, and they just might become your new favorite. We'll start by creaming together the vegan butter, brown sugar, and sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Then we're going to stir in some applesauce and vanilla. The applesauce replaces the eggs while help keeping these cookies soft and chewy. Next, we're going to add in the flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt right into the mixing bowl, mixing just until the dough comes together. Be careful not to overmix. Once you don't see any streaks of flour, it's time for the best part. After the flour is mixed in, fold in the dairy-free white chocolate chips, followed by the lightly crushed kettle-cooked potato chips. The potato chips add just the right amount of crunch and that irresistible sweet and salty flavor that makes these cookies so unique. For thick bakery-style cookies, scoop the dough into large portions and chill them before baking. Chilling the dough helps the cookies bake up tall with soft centers and beautiful thick edges. And just before baking, press a few extra white chocolate chips and pieces of potato chip onto the tops of each cookie. It's a simple trick that gives them that fresh from the bakery look. Whether you're looking for a nut-free twist on a classic favorite, or you're simply curious about the combination of white chocolate and potato chips, these cookies are guaranteed to surprise you. They're rich, buttery, perfectly chewy, and that little bit of salty crunch makes every bite even better. If you enjoyed cooking with me today, I'd love to have you subscribe so we can make something delicious together again next week.